Welcome students. This is third module of chapter number 11, Problem Solve Measurement. In this module, we will solve some mixed word problems on measurement. Next question is, Seema's mother bought 2 meter 70 centimeter of cloth for a kurta and 2 meter 40 centimeter for a shirt. How much cloth did she buy in all? So, to know that how much clothes she buy in all, we need to add the amount of clothes she bought for a kurta and the amount of clothes she bought for a shirt. So, let us do that. So, we write 2 meters and 70 centimeters in the centimeter columns and 2 meters in the meter column, which is the cloth bought for a kurta. And next we write 2 in the meters column, 40 in the centimeters column, which is the cloth required she bought for a shirt. So let's add these two and we get the answer as Seema's mother bought 5 meter and 10 centimeter cloth in all. Next question is, a water tank holds 125 liters of water. If 97 liters 500 of milliliter of the water is used, how much water remains in the tank? So to know that how much water remains in the tank, we need to subtract the amount of water used from the total quantity of water in the tank. So let's do it. So we make two columns for liter and milliliter and we write 125 liters and 00 milliliter, which is the capacity of a water tank. Then we subtract the water used from the capacity of water tank, which is 97 liters and 500 of milliliters. Now let us do the subtraction in the milliliter column. We have 0 milliliter and we have to subtract 500 from 0, which is not possible. So we'll borrow 1 liter, which is 1000 milliliter from liters column, that is from 125, and we have here 0. So total we have 1000 plus 0, which is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now we can subtract 500 from 1000. Yes, so we cut this 0 and we write 1000 and we do the subtraction. Now we borrowed 1 liter from 125 liters. So it remains, we cut it and we write there 124 and we do the subtraction. So after subtraction we get the answer as 27 liter and 500 of milliliter water remains in the tank. Next question is, Harminder bought 57 kg 500 gram of wheat from one shop and 36 kilogram 800 grams of wheat from another shop. How much wheat did he buy altogether? So now to know how much total quantity of wheat Harminder bought, we need to add the quantity of wheat he bought from both the shops. So we make a table and we make two columns, one for kilogram, one for gram. Now we have 57 kilogram and 500 gram wheat he bought from one shop. And we have 36 kilogram 800 gram wheat he bought from another shop. So let us add these two numbers to get the total quantity of wheat he bought. So after addition we get Harminder bought 94 kg 300 gram of wheat altogether. Next question is, Renu took part in a 100-meter race. She tripped and fell after running 80 meter and 50 centimeter. How much distance did she have left to run? So the distance that she have left to run, we will find out by subtracting the distance she covered from the total distance of the race. So let's do it. We'll make two columns, 1 meter and 1 for centimeter. And we write 100 meters and 0 centimeter, which is the total distance to run. And we subtract 80 meter 50 centimeter from it, which is the distance she covered. Now here, as you can see in the centimeters column, we have to subtract 50 from 0, which is not possible as 50 is bigger than 0. So we will borrow 1 meter from this 100 meter, and it will be 1 meter will be 100 centimeter. We know that. So here we will get 100 plus 0, which is equal to 100. And now we do the subtraction. So we get 100 minus 50 is equal to 50 here. Now as we borrowed 1 meter from this 100, it remains 99 meters there. And then we subtract 80 from 99 and we get 19. So we have the final answer as Renu left 19 meter 50 centimeter distance to run. Next question is, a sack had 40 kilogram and 300 of gram of vegetables. There were 17 kg 700 gram potatoes, 13 kg and 400 grams cabbage, and the rest were onions. What was the weight of the onion? So first, let us add the weight of potatoes and cabbage. So we make a table in that we have two columns, one for kilograms and one for grams. We know that there are 17 kilogram and 700 of gram are the potatoes, and the weight of cabbage is 13 kilograms 400 grams. So let us add these two, and after adding we get the total weight of potatoes and cabbage is 31 kilogram and 100 gram. We know that the total weight of vegetable is 40 kilograms and 300 of grams. And we have found that the total weight of cabbage and potato is 31 kilogram 100 grams. And we know that the rest were onions. So to find out the exact weight of onions, we subtract weight of potatoes and cabbage from the total weight of vegetables. So after subtraction, we get there are 9 kilogram and 200 grams of onions. Next question we have. One day, Gurminder Singh walked 3 kilometers 750 meter and Parminder Singh walked 2 kilometers 825 meter. Who walked farther and by how much? Now, looking at the figure, we come to know that Gurminder Singh walked farther because the distance covered by him is more 3 kilometers 750 meter than Parminder Singh who walked only 2 kilometers and 825 meters. Now by how much Gurminder Singh walked more than Parminder Singh? Let us know. For this we need to do the subtraction. We know 3 kilometers and 750 meters is the distance walked by Gurminder, and 2 kilometers 825 meters is the distance walked by Parminder Singh. So let us do the subtraction to know by how much Gurminder walked farther than Parminder. So we need to subtract 825 from 750, which is not possible as the number 825 is bigger than 750. So we borrow 1 kilometer from kilometers column, which is equal to 1000 meters, and to that 1000 meters we add 750. So total we have 1750 meters in the meters column. So we cut 750 and we subtract 825 from 1750. Now as we borrowed 1 kilometer from kilometers column, it remains 2 kilometers there. So 2 minus 2 we get 0 here, and we get the final answer as Gurminder walked more by 925 meters. Next question is, Suresh bought 3 kg and 250 gram of tomatoes, 2 kilogram 500 grams of peas and 1 kilogram 750 gram of cauliflower. How much was the total weight of the vegetables he bought? So, to know the total weight of vegetable Suresh bought, we need to add all the vegetables, that is tomatoes, peas and cauliflowers, which he bought. So, we make two columns, kilograms and grams, and we'll arrange the weight of given vegetables one by one and we will add them. So, we have 3 kilograms 250 grams of tomatoes. Weight of peas Suresh bought is 2 kilograms and 500 grams. Weight of cauliflower Suresh bought is 1 kilogram 750 grams. So let us add this, and after adding all the weights of vegetables Suresh bought, we get that the total weight of the vegetable he bought is 7 kilogram and 500 grams. Next question is, complete the following table and prepare the total bill. So here we have the table in which there are 4 columns: foodstuff, weight and the rate, and then the cost. So we know here we have given various foodstuffs, its weight and the rate of it per kg. And we have to prepare the total bill. So to make the bill, we need to know the cost of each and every foodstuff, and then we will add all the cost of the foodstuffs and we'll get the total amount of the bill. So let us find out the cost of sugar. We have 2.5 kg and rate is 32. So its cost will be 2.5 into 32, which is equal to 80 rupees. The next foodstuff is rice. The weight is 4.0 and its rate is 35. So its cost will be 4 into 35, which is equal to 140. Similarly, cost of chana dal is 1.5 into 60, which is equal to 90 rupees. Cost of tur dal is 3 into 70, which is equal to 210 rupees. Cost of wheat is 7 into 21, which is equal to 147 rupees. And lastly, we have the cost of oil is equal to 1.5 into 110, which is equal to 165. Now we have the cost of all the foodstuffs. Now to get the total bill, let us add the cost of all the food items. So after adding, we get the total bill amount is 832 rupees. Thank you.